guys aspire to start your careers in IT, like me, if you are from a non-IT background and if you want to join a software company, there is a golden opportunity for you guys. You can start your careers in IT or software technologies without any knowledge from the software or any of the software industry. You can directly kickstart your careers in software industry. For this, you have a golden opportunity with the golden course that Veda is providing on .NET Full Stack Development. With this .NET Full Stack Development course, you can start your careers right away. Like the people you see behind, there are many people who are from non-IT background and with zero knowledge on any software development, they started their careers from Veda. So this is a golden opportunity for everyone. If you're looking for a job, like thousands of people who have graduated from Veda and got jobs in MNCs with high salaries and high packages, if you want to get a job in IT industry, please go and visit Veda. These are the courses we are offering at Veda. So there is a myth in software industry that if you are not a software graduate or if you are not a graduate itself, you cannot start your careers in software development. But let me burst that bubble for you. Even if you are if you have cleared your 12th and even if you are pursuing your graduation, you can still start your career with software development. You can join any course that provides the software development, and at Veda we have provided the .NET Full Stack Development with different skill sets that you can get your hands on. We are providing .NET Full Stack Development for backend, frontend and database. For backend, we are teaching C#, .NET, ADO.NET, ASP.NET along with the Entity Framework and MVC. And for the UI, we are teaching JavaScript and ReactJS and also Node.js to add on the benefits. And for the database, we are teaching SQL Server and also MongoDB. So if you want to get your hands on these skills, please visit Veda and please contact these numbers. So harsh reality that we face in today's world is, even though we complete our courses from so-called institutes, we still have to struggle a lot to clear the interviews. So at Veda Institute of Technologies, we not only teach you the technical skills, we also take care of you by teaching you the communication skills, basic computer skills, and we conduct the mock interviews. At Veda, we are not teaching you as a trainer and we are not your trainers. We are the professional developers, full-time working professional developers who's working in the real companies. So based on our professional experience, we have prepared a curriculum for you guys, and based on those curriculums, we teach you. So we know what are the important concepts and what are the skills that you need to survive in this IT world. So based on that knowledge, based on that curriculum, we have prepared exclusive course for you guys, and with this course you can not only crack your interviews but you can thrive in your software jobs as well once you get your jobs. So like you, there are thousands of students who have graduated from Veda Institute of Technologies located at SR Nagar, Hyderabad, and they are working in MNCs.